Welcome to the tutorial on how to send a card and a gift on the SendOutCards system. First, after you log into your account, you'll go ahead and click on Send a Card in the middle of the screen. When it comes up to the card catalog, we have 18,000 cards in the system, and you'll notice all the different categories down the left-hand side that you can navigate through. You can also create a picture card by clicking on Create a Picture Plus 2.0 card in the top left, and to learn more about that, watch the tutorial on how to make a picture card. After you find which category you'd like, you can view the cards by clicking on them larger, and you'll notice that some of them have an arrow underneath or to the right, and that means it has an inside message. If it doesn't have an arrow, that means it's blank. So when you click on the card and it pops up in a larger window, you can view the inside message by clicking on Inside, and just so you know, you can erase that if it's not the message that you want on the inside. You can choose whether you'd like to send this card as a postcard, a 2-panel card, which is a regular 5x7 greeting card, a 3-panel card, or a big card, which is the size of a piece of paper. Or you can add it to your favorites file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 2-panel, which is a regular 5x7 greeting card. When it comes up to the inside of your card, you'll notice there's 2 different places you can type. So I'm going to go ahead and type my message down below. Now, after you type it, you can go ahead and highlight it just like you would in Word. And you'll notice underneath you can change the size of your text by clicking on 16 and making it whatever size you'd like. You can click on the font and you'll see all the different font choices in the system. And one of the great options of SendOutCards is that you can have your own handwriting and signatures put into the system. And you simply fill out a handwriting form with your capital letters, lowercase letters, punctuation, and signatures, and SendOutCards will create a font out of it and put it in your system as an option. So you notice where it says personal right here is my own handwriting. And my signature, instead of typing the name, I could put my signature inside the card as well. I can also keep it highlighted and click on this black A right here to change the font color. And not only do I have these 9 color options, but if I click on more colors, I have a whole color wheel. And I could click inside the wheel and even drag this arrow darker to get a different shade in the wheel, whatever shade I would like. And then I can go ahead and hit OK. So now you'll notice on the top left where it says Pictures, Templates, and Elements, this is how I could decorate the card with my own photos that I just drag inside a card. I can upload as many photos as I'd like. I can use a template that's already created by SendOutCards to decorate the whole left-hand side of my card. Or I can even use elements, which is like scrapbooking, to be able to go to a different category like baby or birthday and choose a clip art from that category to drag inside my card. Like if it was someone's birthday, I could drag in a cupcake, etc. So to learn more about how to decorate your cards, you can watch the tutorial on how to make a picture card. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and hit Continue on the bottom right. Now we're at our shopping cart, and I could either check out or I could click on Add a Gift to this order. So I'm going to click on Add a Gift to this order. And we have hundreds of gifts in the SendOutCards catalog, so I'm going to click on All Gifts. And you'll notice all the different categories down the left-hand side. We have gourmet foods, we have inspirational gifts, we have flowers, gifts for women, for pets, for babies, and birthday gifts, etc. We also have our gift card category, which is very popular as well. And whatever gift card you choose the amount of that gift card, and it will put the actual gift card inside your greeting card. So that's very, very popular to do as well. We have American Express and Starbucks, etc. So I'm going to go back to our gifts and choose one of our most popular sellers, these 2-pack of brownies. And you'll notice that you can either send your gifts standard shipping or signature shipping, which is wrapped with not only a nice box, but a ribbon as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just send standard and hit Add to Cart. And then I'm going to view my cart. And now you'll see that I have my card and my brownies. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Checkout. It pops up with my return address automatically, which is my default address in the system. So I'm going to hit Next Step. And then I could either type somebody's name and address in here if I'd like and add them as a new contact to my contact manager, or if they're already in my contact manager, I can select from my contacts. I could even at this point send this card and gift to multiple recipients if I choose. But I'm going to go ahead and hit select from contacts, type the name, and then choose my recipient and hit select recipient. So it just pops right in there, and I'm going to hit next step. So now it allows me to take a look at my shipping, and this lets me pick between regular ground, standard shipping, ground, second day, or next day air. So you can choose the different ways you'd like to ship your package with that gift. And then I'm going to hit confirm and go to payment. And the final screen totals it for me for my shipping and handling, which is for the cost of shipping that gift, and then the points for the gift and the card. So if everything looks good, I'm going to go ahead and hit send card and gift. And it comes up with my confirmation screen where it shows me that this card and gift is set to go, and I could either modify it or cancel it at this point, or I could go ahead and continue to my main menu on the top left to send another card. So that's how to send a card and a gift in the SendOutCards system.